Ụtụtụ ọma, ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo n'elu ụwa gbaa gburugburu. Ekene m unu. Asị nka chi tata bụ afọ fọtara anyị ihe ọma. Anyị gbuo n'ihu anyị ga-ebute mma, anyị gbuo n'azụ anyị ga-ebute mma, anyị gbuo n'aka nri anyị ga-ebute mma, anyị gbuo n'aka ekpe anyị ebute mma. Anyị ga-azụ ka ahịa, anyị amana ka ahịa. Onye chụwa anyị ya daa. Onye si na akwụkwọ anyị amacha mpamama aba na nke anyị ga-ejere obodo nara obodo. A sị m ngwu ọbụla onye ji eku bụ ezigbo ngwu ya akwanahụrụ ya. Anyị ga-ede ude, anyị ga-apụta ihe ya gazie n'ọfọ. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị, Ugochi tubelu, nwa Oraifite. Abụ m nwa Adama. Anyị na-akpọ arụ na Oraifite. Ihe m chọrọ ka m kọwaa n'ụbọchị taa, lụtakwa, abụ m onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala. Anyị na-ayọkwazi ndị mmadụ ka ndị mmadụ tinye aka na ịgbasa ozi ọdịnala. Ị nwere ike ịkwado ya n'ụdị dị iche iche. Ọ kachasị ịlaiki vidiyo anyị, share ya among your friends. Ka o wee ruo onye ngo aka, ruo onye mba n'aka. Ihe m kwuru mma akụzi n'ụbọchị taa gbasara alụmdi na nwunye, marriage in Odinana Igbo. Today, I would like to speak a little in English because of some people that are some of the friends that are not really of Igbo extraction. Although I will digress a little with Igbo language so that everybody will be carried along. Ihe na-achịkọwa n'ụbọchị taa bụ gbasara alụmdi na nwunye. Marriage is an institution created by Almighty Father. It is a great privilege where a man and a woman will come together and form a new home. But for you to enjoy the marriage, the right thing must be done. Let me sound a note of warning. What is marriage? Marriage is where two people agree to stay together and live in harmony and raise their own family with the consent of both families, at least majority. Because if you are a woman, a lady, you are living with a man and your bride price was not paid, sister, you are not married. Okay? Both of you are housemates. So, for you in Odinana Igbo to be called husband and wife, bride price is a stepping stone. Bride price must be paid. Then with other marriage rituals. Let me sound note of warning. That libation, that is the elders of the family of the woman, pours on the ground that day, has a significant meaning. And the blessing of your family is highly needed. That breaking of kola nut that they will pray and said, in no distant time, we are expecting grandchildren. Igbo people call them the Odinana. So, strive to receive your blessing from your family. Then, my message to guys, if you want to get married, did you consult your ancestors? Did you inform Ndi Ichie that you want to get married? Take your drink, take cola, call upon your ancestors, Ndi Ichie, after informing your father that you want to get married, that they should help you and get a befitting wife, a wife that well suited, a wife that they, the chair, will approve, a wife that will bear fruits, a wife that will help you to build your future so that you and her will live in harmony. You must do that. All these things are very important because you must lay your foundation solidly in order for your marriage to prosper. Then for the lady, when a lady grow of age, did you call the land of your fathers that he have grown of age, that he need a husband, a woman, a man that will love you sincerely, that two of you will stay together and build a new home in harmony? Some of these things are very, very important. Nowadays, olden days, there is something like consulting Afa to do what we call background check of the woman you want to marry as a man. Don't you know that when immediately you pay the bride price and do the traditional marriage of a woman, that after that ceremony, that the entities of powers, deities, the spirits from his father's house, the compound, the indichie, are coming to your home together with her? Don't you know? Yes. Ndị anyanwụ na-agbara na ụmụ mmụọ so nke nwaanyị be nke nwaanyị na-eso ya abịa ije dị. So you will make sure, especially consult Afa to do the background check. Afa will confirm if ihe na-ese, what is following the entities of powers coming from the lady's side, whether they will live in harmony with the one coming from your own side as a man. It's very, very important. If you do the search and consultation, you will find out if there is the spirit that is in the woman, the lady in question, and the spirit in your own land, father's compound, whether they will work in harmony. Some people normally say that the guy used to do well, but immediately he got married, there is a crisis. The guy started going down. The reason is this: the entities of powers and spirits behind the lady, and the entities of powers and spirits behind the man. If there is a relationship, you will not notice. But once he paid the bride price, they will come in full force, in union. Now, if there is no harmony among the entities of powers from both sides, there will be disharmony. And if there is disharmony among the spirits, they will not work together for the upliftment and stability of that marriage. You get? The same thing with a lady. If you want to get married, have you asked, maybe consult Alpha, to know if the spirits that behind this guy and the one from your side, whether they will work together in harmony? Did you do that? Then, because Alpha will reveal so many things behind the scene. If you base your own judgment based on the intellectual aspect of your proposed partner, some people are very smart. I can tell you, you can date your partner for 10 years, believe in me, and you will never know him or her too well. I have seen some people that dated for donkey years, immediately they got married. In less than 2 years, the marriage scattered. To show you that either the both of them or one of them is pretending during the relationship. So courtship is not enough. Don't tell me that you have dated each other, that you people know each other. No. And again, when considering someone to marry, please bear it in mind that love alone is not enough to build a home. There must be trust. You must marry someone you can trust, honestly. You should go for someone you can trust, that even if somebody called you, oh boy, I saw your wife just coming out from this hotel, you should know, I know my wife. If for any reason she visited that hotel, she will never misbehave. It must be for a good reason. You understand? That is trust in action. Love is not enough, because love, something must trigger love. Understand? Somebody you love, to show you that love is not consistent, somebody you love today might be your greatest enemy tomorrow. Because when you stop getting what that really formulated that love, the love dies down. Do you get? So love, something triggers love. You understand? So if that thing that triggers that love is no longer there, the love dies down. So go for someone you can trust. That is very important. Then my advice to ladies, please, we are in Africa. Learn how to say I'm sorry. Use magic words. My husband, I'm sorry. You can never be the same with your husband. There is no equality. If this is what the church people really bastardize a lot of things in our mindset of our people. A man and a woman are not equal, even in marriage. Okay? The man remains the head. So for you to enjoy harmony in your marriage, you must learn how to be submissive. Olden days, a woman see her husband, we say, "Nai," she will bend down. Your husband is your Lord. During Sarah, you see it in the Bible, call it my Lord. My Lord. That time there was harmony. That time there was respect. Obrona, if you really want to enjoy peaceful home, learn how to say, my husband, I'm sorry. If it's possible, kneel down. Believe in me, we guys, men, we don't have heart. No matter how you offended us, once you kneel down and say, my husband, I'm so sorry. Believe in me, no man ignores a tears from her angel. Once you offend, no matter what you did to your husband, you need and say, my husband, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I have offended you. Please forgive me. Believe in me. But the problem of nowadays is that it's very hard for you to see a woman that will say, I'm sorry. You just say, I'm sorry. Whether you like it, take it or leave it. Do you see the problem? That feminism. In this world, the church people have bastardized a lot of people, telling people that yeah, both of you are equal in marriage. One nepota, eziokwu. Nwoke bụ nwoke. Nwoke bụ chukwu gị. Onya ka eji akpọ ya nna m ukwu. So bend down for your husband and never allow magic words to drive from your mouth. Always make use of it. My husband, you can even kneel down and show remorse. Believe in me, your husband will bring you up and pamper you and apologize to you. And you can even go out, see somebody like me, I will go out and spoil you a little. So, and at the end of the day, you people, both of you will end up making love. By so then the love will keep on growing. Let's compare with the concept of our forefathers in concerning marriages. I don't want this video to be too long. So I will stop here. If you have any question, you will see my WhatsApp number. Send the inquiry. I will answer you. Don't forget to like my video. Share it among your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channels so that you'll be getting our message, our daily message on Odinana Igbo. Thank you all.